you about like my back because you guys were like so curious about it. So I think I was like about like the positioning that I was like in. So you know, like this is me, right? And then so this is what IRyS was doing that made me crack my back. Like we were she was like yay. She was like this, you know. This looks so violent. This looks so violent, but okay. This is so violent. Yeah, but this is what we were doing. And then my back cracked and it felt really good. No, it was more like she was doing like sit-ups. So like, kind of like this. Shoo, 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 shoo on my back. Yeah. Perfect gym mat. It was nice. I mean, it got my back to crack, so it's nice. Was cheating on her sit-ups. Doesn't go all the way down. I don't know. I couldn't see because I was looking like elsewhere. Fauna was here, by the way. Like with her thigh. Not with her thigh, with her legs. Being like this. Yay. And then Mume was like just here. Yay. Really nice. Really fun. Appreciating the view, of course.